Greetings and welcome back. This is section 15, the Q&A, electrons, go with the flow. Let's begin. What is the electrical term for electromotive force, EMF, that causes electron flow? Voltage. What is the basic unit of electromotive force? The volt. Which instrument would you use to measure electric potential or electromotive force? A voltmeter. What is the correct way to connect a voltmeter to a circuit? In parallel with the circuit. Which of the following battery types is rechargeable? Nickel metal hydride, lithium ion, lead acid gel cell. All these choices are correct. Which of the following types are not rechargeable? Carbon zinc. How much voltage does a mobile transceiver usually require? 12 volts nominal. Where should the negative return connection of a mobile transceiver power cable be connected? To the battery or engine block ground strap. What is the name for flow of electrons in an electric circuit? Current. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? The ammeter. How is an ammeter usually connected in a circuit? In series. Electrical current is measured in which of the following units? Amperes. Which of the following is a good electrical conductor? Copper. What is the name for current that reverses direction on regular basis? Alternating current. Which of the following devices or circuits changes an alternating current into varying direct current signal? Rectifier. What is the name for current that flows in one direction? Direct current. What electronic component allows current to flow in one direction? The diode. Remember, it's like a one-way street. What are the names of the two electrodes of a diode? The anode and the cathode. How is the cathode leader of a semiconductor diode usually identified? With a stripe. What electrical component is used to oppose the flow of current in a DC circuit? The resistor. What is the instrument used to measure resistance? An ohm meter. What type of component is often used as an adjustable volume control? Potentiometer, or a pot. What electrical parameters is controlled by a potentiometer? Resistance. And which of the following is a good electrical insulator? Glass. What type of electrical component stores energy in a magnetic field? The inductor. What electrical component is usually composed of a coil of wire? The inductor. What is the ability to store energy in a magnetic field called? Inductance. What is the basic unit of inductance? The Henry. What is meant by the term impedance? It is the measure of opposition to AC current flow in a circuit. What are the unit of impedance? The ohms. What is the ability to store energy in an electric field, electrostatic field? Capacitance. What is the basic unit of capacitance? The farad. What electrical component stores energy as an electrostatic field? Capacitor. What type of electrical component consists of two or more conductive surfaces separated by an insulator? Capacitor. What electrical component is used to connect or disconnect electrical circuits? The switch. What electrical component is used to protect other circuit components from current overloads? The fuse. Which of these components can be used as an electronic switch or amplifier? Transistor. What class of electronic component is capable of a voltage or current signal to control current flow? The transistor. Which of the following electronic components can amplify signals? The transistor. What is the term that describes a transistor's ability to amplify a signal? Gain. What are the three electrodes of a PNP or NPN transistor? It is the emitter, the base, and collector. The emitter is the one with the arrow, the base is in the middle, and the collector is the opposite of the emitter. Which of the following components can be made of 3 layers of a semiconductor material? The transistor. What does the abbreviation FET stand for? Field effect transistor. What are the 3 electrodes of a field effect transistor? The source, the gate, and the drain. And that is the question and answer portion of section 15.